Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we default our tag size in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to set your default tag size. Friends, how can you set in this video friends? I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So it's now time to start video friends. First of all open your phone setting to set your default tag size. Then scroll it. Display and brightness setting, friends, tap here and then again scroll. So you can see your font size setting, friends, so tap here. So you can see your text size setting. So you want to set into default size, you want to set into small size, you can set from here. So as I told you guys, I want to set default text size. So as you can see preview guys, your default text size settings. So tap here. So as your text size will default in your Tecno phone, and as you can use your phone with your default text size. So I hope friends you understood how to set default text size in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.